What's on, man? From your voice and see your face, you know one puppy then. I'm represent for one True World TV. And members of True World TV are the only and the better and the great TV. So member and the people, they represent for a brand new movie. I want to see the title, I want to know what we are look about. The movie are called Jealous Sister. Watch your movie at the end. Tell a friend about True World TV. And remember a golden rule. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You understand? Big up on yourself, people, and stay tuned because only more hits I go forward on True World TV. Coloring book, big up yourself, you know. One True World TV. I'm out.
Girl, I know say I laugh too much. I laugh too much, man. Me see man pa your status a cream here. Big Sunday.
So wrong with that.
Girl, me want one man like that. Why? Me don't know when me will get one man for cream for me here.
Don't worry yourself. Mama, things takes time and something. Not done before time. Trust me.
Things take time too, but God know for me time and things that take too long. Girl, a man treat you good, you know.
So now that we want princess treatment. Every female want princess treatment.
Yeah, me not saying.
But wait. Are you jealous, girl?
Me? No, girl. Jealous of a more sister. Sister, you know, sometimes me feel left out coming. Never have a man who give me princess treatment.
And as I said before, nothing done before time. One fear, and one no fear, just not fear. So, and everybody and every female come on earth to get princess treatment, you know. You understand what I'm saying?
Why I don't know if my fourth parents and mama do, but Jesus Christ.
Mommy not do nothing, man. Just stop it, man. But anyways, mama, I wish for you buy your bread. Because I want bread me here, you know.
Buying a team, girl. Don't on.
Oh.
So we are going to bread here?
You know, say, babes promise me one money still. When you get a money, so I go bread me here and
You
something.
love your babes, though.
So I don't must love him. Right now, I'm dying for him come off fire. So you don't love your brother now?
Of course, I love my brother like I'm a treat my sister good.
Oh, okay. Girl, as I talk about treat good. I don't know. This man is just different.
All my life. Betrayal. Betrayal, you. Yeah, man.
A burger, man.
How you do over there so hide?
No, man, what kind of hype from woman? You know, say a woman over there, say, belly bottom hurt him, I want him belly bottom hurt him, one of them. So I go over there and pray for him and make him feel better, man. You know, can work with the Holy Spirit. Yeah. Yeah, man, one night time, I go say, huh?
Oh.
I drop me some more, I drop down, can't get up, man.
I look at things so I understand English. You're going to ride out in belly bottom.
No, I do something more than now. You hear me say I go over there with the Holy Spirit, man.
Make it on right there, so. Because I remember say, me left primary, high school, college, and then me graduate to a one burner. So, me come through all of them classes. So make it on. So I pray.
I'm there, man.
You know, I don't in the town, me go. Western Union, me go collect some money and the money not come through. And me have one money. And you know, me love your sister already. Me just buy a burger. Walk come up. I sweat like wow, so I want to give him before. So what on there? Not tell him so me see you. Go pray for a woman.
Tell him what, I want to pay my youth if you hear some me I pray and chat. I pray and chat, God. I'm a pray and fire shot. I want to pay.
Jesus Christ. Yo, Jesus Christ, you boy. But you was still not me say.
I chat about all that too. You know, some love how you treat my sister though.
Yeah, man, for real, man. For real, my father,
Glad
man.
no, man. Mush, Paul, for me, other sister could have find a man like you can. I don't know.
Oh, Sean?
Me don't feel like Sean lucky with man. Yeah, right. Sean and man. And they just not make for each other.
Boy, I mean, as what you say still, because Sean talk with some good man, you know. But me must say Sean want a rough girlfriend, him a go to school, he no take chat, you know.
But I think, man.
He must say man, he want to rule him, but deep down, he want to rule him and him want to rule him and them. That's how a relationship now work out.
Now that me I show you, man.
But boy, I mean, no, you see Tia, brother, yo, she different, brother. Tia come like a fresh breath here. Tia come like Jesus Christ, but we can't see him, we just feel him.
Yes.
You see me?
Feel something good.
So you want to go, I mean, all the time, because you come like you want to go pray again, you know. You understand? Yeah.
Look, tell nobody, you know.
Well, me ain't see you know.
Alright.
You know, I mean, ain't really plan to see you.
Alright.
Look over.
Yeah. Come go on my prayer meeting tomorrow.
Someone like you.
And you see how long with it? It's like nothing not change. Like, you know, some people that they in a one relationship and after like all 5 years, it come like your relationship just water down. Instead of water down, it just get stronger and stronger. You see in Ghana now, a Western Union gonna pick up our money. Just bet girl, say I come back here with something for me eat. Me never
ask him.
I not ask the man nothing. But by right, you know, from morning, there, as you can see, me not eat nothing from morning. But me just know say, him gonna come back home with something for me eat.
Jesus, girl.
I just saw him stage
like... God bless me, no man.
God will bless you, man.
God bless me with no money and no more. God bless me with a good man, because money and you also come.
The man does different, me I tell, and he doesn't know what me want. Me not have to tell him what me want.
Girl, and I say me never deal with a good man, you know. Me meet a couple good man in my life, but here what for them stress and problem now. Where you not fi go, what kind of clothes you fi wear, who you not fi talk to, how fi eat, how fi sleep. Me not depend that nobody now can control me and can go and like say they want to take out this stress and problem probably through they have the money. No, me not depend that, girl. And me we hurt somebody.
Hey, sis, when I ring you still, you know, big man thing. Cause, hey, from we are going to school, no, from we little and everywhere.
Sister, what happened to you? Cool,
you not take chat from people, you know?
From who? From which boy?
Me not even mommy, you not take talk from. You just, me no know. You just different.
I make nobody bad me up. I'm sorry.
And I really bad up, but differently still. Me must say, man, you know, a provider, protector. So if your man tell us, you know, why you wear no short shorts, just not wear it.
Me can tell my man say don't put on that ripped jeans.
Well, me don't know what to tell us.
In our relationship, if we got 2 years,
exactly, you have to compromise, you have to work together, but me don't know. They're just unruly. That's all.
So send him come, as I say. I'm just going to wait my turn.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than. Can't do, you know, me have left some for babes. I will never find another babes. All my life. I pray for someone like you.
All my life, I've been waiting for someone like you.
I pray for someone like you. And I give thanks to you. That's fun. Babes.
Yes, me.
Wow.
Miss you
Miss you
too.
No. I'm going to the last night when the time cold and you hug me up. Babes. Why? You know you're not going to be foot, me have to tell you. Down in Western Union, it's not good. The line not good. The line different, yes, so good, so. And plus, the money not good. From when you say you're going to get some more money, I know me can't see them come. Then you run 3 times where Western Union lock down, so me not get no money.
God.
And me know you're hungry. So you look at money you may have in my pocket. I want to come up in on Jesus Christ, me I swear. So I buy one burger because I know you're hungry. So I say I can some hold on. I say I can some come give you, because you know you're my baby. Wait, baby, stay.
No, so you're thirsty, man.
Yeah, man, I'm thirsty.
So you have one burger you buy. So you don't buy none fish on?
Oh, sister-in-law. Oh, God, man. Jesus Christ, baby. I want to have our ladies talk, sister talk.
Yeah, we just ketchup and a few
Alright, man.
things and something.
I'm going to go wash my face with this soap. Jesus Christ, baby.
Alright, baby.
Alright, my son come here.
Alright, baby.
All my life, I pray for someone like you.
Why? Why for me man a
Man
sample?
hug you up 10 times before him come out of the house.
What's wrong with that? I just film style that. You never see something like that before, Sean? I don't like how you set your face.
How? A piece of burger me want you talk about how me a set my
If
face.
you ever see a little burger where you know this can't share, Sean.
Girl, this name love. Your man love if it's true. Cause me can't believe say the man come right there so. I saw me little that see man no see me if you tell me Evelyn and me and your sister. I saw me fine. So me not exist.
Well,
Your man love you then, cause if I saw man, the first thing them I do agree is agree then one sister, then I agree then one first.
Sean, just enough of that, man. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Sister, if you glad say one man really love you, you tell me say enough of that. Where you have a way people want, you know? Like me, you know?
I don't understand, you just sound jealous.
No, sis, I'm not jealous. Me just try to tell you, say me never in your shoes, so me kind of feel left out. It feel new to me. It feel new, sis. You don't understand, man. It just feel new, like, you know, real. Like I want to show me there, so what? You man hug you up 10 times before you man come out of the house.
Sean,
Any day one boy hug me 10 times before you come out of my house. Where? My rabbi bank feel.
No, sir. This just here. Sean, you know if you behave so extra, you know? I just nah, man.
No, I'm not extra. It's when you're not used to something and you see it in your eyes. It seems fake.
Boy, you're frightened Friday, though.
Before at least, so my sister me a frightened Friday far.
Anyways, just go and hold your faith. God will send somebody your way one day. Just go and hold and stay firm. Me I gotta go use the
I wonder
bathroom.
if that one day there anytime in that week, yeah.
Me use the bathroom. See burger. Eat it.
The girl that give me burger, I say you love me, then I love me too. Then what? Then I don't really love this man. The man cow. One burger come give me sister. Me no more to my friends before you come take it back. Eh?
No, me I tell you, say me nah no money and you tell me, say, me fi go extra mile for you and you nah go extra mile for me. Listen me from NCB thief my money and now me nah rise up back pa my foot them. I grung me they said we a try fight a buckle. Me nah go extra mile for woman cause me nah go extra mile for me. Yo, come off of my phone now, man. Must feel like say front to have all that. Before what time I say, man. I nah make no man stress me out, you know. Oh, me nah make no man mad me. Pop it on. Pop it on. What's the charge there? Oh boy, come check it general now. One puppy done. Oh, that mother on the gun left me want to know what go happen. How am I done? I feel a place. No, Mr. Coloring book, I feel a place. You forward come sit down on my veranda and take seat like you're my woman. You're my woman, where you do on my veranda? So, did I authorize you? Did I give you permission? Where we go again? A permanent or permission? Where you go? Pop it on! That's better! Go on, we can come in! Forward, forward! Man, your school, man. Where we go again? Permanent. No fighting, no fighting. No fighting. Permanent or permanent. So, Mike, you know what I'm you. Yo, me no bother want on you. My post sitting it in the fi hurt you. Eh?
So you have a drink water and put nothing in if you hurt yourself?
Woman I call my phone and stress me up about money. Suppose me the guy in this I go put something for hurt myself. And you come drink here and get it.
Who does that?
Eh? Not me?
You does that? So every time you come over your woman and stress up.
My youth,
When you don't find a good woman and second long like
my youth, NCB thief my money and it's a girl that call me and tell me say, he want money. He put on lace wig.
So you don't go back up at MCB friend and thief your money?
Every minute he tell me one bag of phone. I leave like talk about that youth.
So why pray?
Yo, me there, me just tired of some people in my life. Let
me tell you something,
I want to live like you, youth.
Mom, just listen to me as if you live like me. When you have a woman that stress out you, you make better you stress out you. Good man stress out you. Anytime good man stress out you, you feel better. Even when you walk in and come out and say, I want good idiot that.
What, gentleman?
Anytime you want to eat that, butter yes, gal. Where every man a run down and stress out you. When you walk in a community, you must say, oh, you germs that. I eat that, I dopey back that. Make good man stress out your puppy then.
That's true, like you see your woman now, your woman can stress you out. Because your woman a good woman. And you're a good man to your woman. Brother.
Well, me a good man from a couple here. Well, I know, good man. Ni when me go a party, me no look for a woman.
Then the other night, me go a party, you. You remember me go a party, a night them at
3 party going on one night in the ocean. What a engineer.
They said one day. The same one day, our celebrity walk through.
Celebrity walk through. The girl who wine for me, I may have to ease him off.
One night time I not want to carry the rum back in it. The girl who wine for you,
but
and you ease off.
You have to ask me when me ease off.
Why you ease off?
Puppy girl, puppy when you bend down on a wine.
A lie? A lie you tell man, so you need to tell me that.
So you need to smell it?
No.
I joke you and make Jesus Christ and you can't put so long.
No, my youth. If them a big old music they are thumping at a party, I show you one burner youth.
No.
Let me rate that door. I want to be like your door youth.
Puppy done for a real level. I don't have no time to sing all that woman right now, dog. You see this a farm here where me have. Bro, when me go on my farm, brother, I don't have no time to look over the fence and see no neighbor over for them farm. I love this a farm. When me go on the road, I me forward back. I just shield up on my mind, bro.
Then me no see you there in a party. Every minute me see you ask me say, yo, what time you go ready? What time you go ready?
Oh God,
me
man.
see woman, the dancer woman, them when man get time party. Me see them a dance and you like your so. When I tell me if you wonder if you alright.
How much time you go a party? I'll 10 party for the week. And you say, boy, out of 10 party where you go, and 1 party you enjoy. So, I saw good woman in the world, but when you find one good woman in your life, cherish him. And I cherish me, I cherish him. Alright, watch out. Look for my woman sister, you know. That a Shan. Shan go through over 3-4 man. And him a no dog, you know. But me mean, him always a try to find a good man. But he not work out. But at least
I mean, there so. And you tell me say so not work out? Eh?
Me don't know if you want a good man yet. Me don't know if you want a good man yet, you know, because you have a whole girl, you know.
Me always want a girl, you know.
But you always want him and he always no want you. So that are 2 different things. One want and one no want. So that kind of different. That one come like a food for poor.
You know, so I feel like the girl that good like your woman though, like how your woman good and you know no problem. She not come with no factory fault.
Why?
You see me? Your woman does good for you and fit for you and you fit for you.
A special one that comes straight from the factory.
And then me I tell you no factory fault.
We can't let go the woman a puppy that man.
So no that one like a she want.
Me there with that woman more than 10 years, me never hear him poop.
You never hear she poop?
Me never hear him poop puppy
that means she perfect.
No, he not perfect. I want to tell you say, me start fretting now because I wonder if something wrong with him if him black up. Because people go and see my bike him, you know. Then one day me go to the road and by the time I come in, me, I look scent. And I say, babe, that you poop me. He say, no, I get way. So me feel good. Me feel good. Me know say, alright.
Yeah,
so me tell her say, shit, brother, yo.
So that me I tell her she not fall, no factory fault.
You when me, alright, right now me I can't check you. Me need to tell him. Even if you call me say that puppy down foot. Like she now Bex. Bro, they say no man not perfect, but this one not perfect. Me I tell you.
Why? Me I tell you.
Pray say me and him no mash up.
Me just say to you, me only hope nobody no coming up bad.
No, if blood of Jesus against that puppy down. Buying up in the name of Jesus. And send him back in the pit of hell.
Me no want nobody come mash up in a relationship. You.
So yes, I want
to watch. But thing out she na pass and you get a good woman and now want somebody to mash it up.
Alright, watch out.
And we fling you water in the
face. Me must say me with a girl from me having my front teeth and now me lose teeth and me still have him.
You know, so that time I did feel like say she take out it though.
No, but when I time I check me I go run when me lose my front teeth. I hug me.
I love you more.
Eh? Jesus Christ, puppy that.
I mean, I tell no lie. If your woman heart strong.
A true man, yeah, true man, you love me.
You really love it for real,
yeah, man, God, no.
Because I don't know which woman that lay down in the bed with you.
What you have to
talk about? You mean, some time I wonder if when a woman wake up and you smile if you don't see you look like a vampire.
What you talk about?
No, the front teeth are gone.
Hey, watch on the man. Watch on the man. I just me.
No, me not.
You know what you me I can left your place.
No, me father.
A matter of fact, you talk about me teeth gone. I the same teeth when me drink the water and see you drink it. Me gone in my yard. You think I me just stress with your woman?
No, man, you and this man. Watch, look at my father.
Look at me, man. Me gone in my yard. Woman love me with my teeth though.
Yo, your sister-in-law here.
Sean, come on, man, where you go?
What is a whore you do yourself? Where you
Come on, man, where you do yourself? I'm drinking, son.
Why are you worrying, brother?
Where are you, my lovely sister?
No. You don't love me up. You have nothing to give me.
No, sir.
You imagine.
No,
You're there reward.
Somebody buy give me something.
But you just a tick it for your head, Davy.
No, somebody say go and hold on, man, this me bro.
And you put people back in your head.
I know people back up. But government back up. But here what going on? What color book I going with? Me know how am I going with?
Oh, you feel go? Bro, you listen to yourself.
Yeah.
I mean a coloring book there.
You know, so you know up there.
He man come up there to him, oh man. And the man see me sit down and say, he man not even say, Evelyn. And Sister Fair say, then be, you can't, you not see Sean, you not see sister, what happened? Man not say nothing to me.
I'm in love for true man, but I know that me a chat about. When you say to you, make you feel like you can't call me whore.
What? Come you to where me by where man say to me? Where man fi say to me?
No, that me
you
ask
know
you.
war for true. The man not fi say nothing to me fi me call you whore. I no come put nothing in my mouth.
Me don't know about that, sis.
Don't go like say you want throw nothing upon me or you want get me mixed in. I'm my sister man.
Me don't know about that. Me don't know nothing about
Listen to me now,
your
David.
allegation.
I this a call me for.
No,
I this a tap me for.
I told me see you walk past and sit now.
So me a walk go about my business where you stop me for.
You don't want to give your brother one money.
You don't want buy me one juice.
You don't see somebody buy you and say, hold on, pan this. What can I buy
You
one?
see when it comes to people relationship, don't
Yeah.
go like say you want mix me in no. Cause you're not gonna put me in no mix up. So me kindly go on with me I go and go my way.
So where you going now?
With that concern, me I go bed and go back up on my sister yard.
So you love up there, suppose the man and do a little
Me
rose.
don't have no man and me single. So anyone me comfortable with them, I go stay and them comfortable. You don't question me.
One tear, man.
No
Just a cap black my brother-in-law, sir.
Where go look for a girl, you don't worry about me.
Girl, you know see me single. So time for fast, you know.
Let me get a rose, guys. Rose. Snipe, guys.
Snipe. Rose and tops.
Well done, bro.
Yeah,
People, me soon come back for the live.
Yeah, on TikTok. What going on, my sister?
Why me there, bro?
Alright.
Me there. But wait there. How will breeze blow you up here?
Since we just in a year and I say I'm going to look for you.
Yeah, I hear and say you come look for me.
So what is wrong?
Nothing wrong. A long time I don't see you.
Yeah, true, man. I want to look at something and bring up still. You know, I want to look at you face some problems, so I just go down here and pray for him.
You pray for her.
Pray for
her.
Yeah.
I didn't hear about your differentness to you.
Here's how.
So you're a ladies man.
Who tell us so?
Eh?
Who tell her they lie there?
You know where yourself. Me here about you.
You don't know
About
about that.
pray.
You don't know about that, man.
How much of fact? I 5 different scent me smell for you. So I 5 different women you pray for?
Sis, I want to your man that. Sis, I mix the color with them, but I want to you. Yeah, oh gosh, man, you make me look like some whore or something like that.
But I saw me here. In the streets, sting. So you're a womanizer.
So me not hear about that and everybody here.
Well, remember I know. Are you the chat the pants are you last so here?
I don't know about that. So everything good though.
Good man there.
It's a fear boy a while ago too, you know.
Who that?
Fear boy man, coloring book, one burner.
Oh. I feel my one burner man.
So me don't know. No, that man, but like, since me also want to move, you know, cause me have around 12 o'clock, I look up fasting and sitting. Can't be there too long, you know.
Fasting? No sir. Then bro, this really serious. You're really baptized?
Sis, you know, if you tell her the truth, I'm not baptized though, but me deep down in their life, in their belly, university, I help them. Because I feel like I'm my duty right now in our life. May I tell us this?
Alright, my dear. All me can tell you is, try be careful.
Yeah.
When you're deep in their belly, be careful. And make sure that wear your helmet.
Yeah.
Because pay a big age there. Within Negril. Yes. All in the world too.
See, some of them know you're going kind of regular drink, can you see? Big age. Take care of yourself though.
Take care of yourself and remember, wear protective gear.
Always, sis.
Alright bro, love you.
Yeah, big up one bird.
Alright.
Alright.
And make sure say yeah, protect yourself. Come not ready for no Nissan and never yet. Me no see no jing bang a walk behind you.
Look on more, look on more.
Alright.
Babes.
B, how we are run from?
Well, baby, me just a run. Me know me a run from, me just a run. Cause me I say, if me a run out of time, me a run come be on my time. So me figure less or more say, you're over here, tired and something, and you're alone, so me just come spend time with you. Me go check Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan have woman stress.
You never have woman stress. Me no know what wrong with him.
Puppy Dan, me I tell Puppy Dan saying can't make some look a bad girl beat out girl stress him out. As a girl is, you have to make good girl stress him out. So when you walk go down in the lane, people them say, oh, you want good idiot that, cause good girl stress him out. But when bad girl stress him out, and other people them go say, oh, yeah, I want idiot that. Well idiot. So that's just my advice to him still. You must say you want one good woman in your life like you. So me I tell him say, you know, if you look, just be himself.
Exactly.
Yeah,
He will
but-
come to you.
So you didn't call me and tell me say you're alone over here.
Why? Should we say you're not even tell me say that a link Puppy Dan a matter of
I
fact.
not give a code man, but you know, I not give a code but you need to see it. I never throw my time in me and you know, wing fast. And I say you and your sister there, maybe you and marry because remember say in last relationship, you know, to work out too good. So I say maybe you want a good time to talk. And your sister who you love. So I say alright, I go check Puppy Dan.
Man, love her bad.
She alright
In
though.
the day, I want one reason and something, and then she just go in and I had up on TikTok live. I get taps and roses.
Eh? Watch him and you might get a rose in the because when people get a rose, they want more things, you know. And you have not more.
So, nothing like that. But guess I know.
And when you must tap up your screen too, sometimes they want to tap up your too. I'm not up on that right now. Me alone for tap up you.
You don't say a thing too smutty sometimes.
No, I don't see much, you know. You see, sometimes me a man I say them watch a cuss and I say, man I watch woman. Me have to watch you know. Cause I don't really watch me I watch you know. I just have valuable what's mine. You know, when you have a feel, you have to go check on the morning and evening. That me mean. So me have to watch you and check on you and make sure say you grow good and you're alright. So I just that beats.
But me, anyways, come to think of it, how me are you there? Me in our relationship, and me say you're my best friend, and you not tell me what go on in the street.
So what going on, babes?
No, my brother. My brother come over here, I never know say baptized, I never tell me say baptized, I in a church, I in a woman belly and something. They pray for
You better come over here.
He just left from over here. No,
A long time I don't see your brother.
Mm.
Yes, like I dream last night. Say me and him book a whole reason. And he might tell me say I'm gonna pray for a girl. So maybe dream will come true. A long time I don't see him. So I baptize the show.
The man say I'm baptized. And he sound like a woman alone in pray for. Come in here mention nothing about church brother be a woman.
Well, that is a good baptize. You see me? If me name a one burner, good baptize but that wrong. You see me? Cause me a one burner and he good away there. He nice away there. Jesus Christ. Why, babe, you don't know. When you have all 5 women, how them give them time and them thing there. You know? How them give them time. Skeleton alright. Cause you know, but time. Oh, your brother have all 5 women to pray for now. How you give him time?
I don't know, you know. Every
Like-
one of them have different timing. So
Yes.
if you spend 1 hour with this one, you pray for that.
So like when him preach so much, like him body not run down.
When you see me, ask him and then you get back to me.
Well, me not ask him nothing, no, that sound low. Why, babe, me love you, see?
I love you too,
I
man.
love you, man, God know. Boy, me I tell you the truth. Me no want no demon coming our way. I feel like me if I live good till we whole and grey. Till all one night time if I say, get up, boy! Boy, you in a age, get up and turn up. You know? Babe, we have, I could go all a beer or something, yeah, man.
Alright.
Go to do go all a beer.
Please.
Babe.
I remember if I tell her this morning, you know.
But
I'm going to town and come back.
you ain't tell me man, although me kinda never wait the right here, but me just a doze off, you ain't tell me. And you hurry up, cause come like rain I go forward, so hurry up and forward, you see me?
Yeah, I got money gram cause see you never get through with your money, so my father did say I send me a money, so I want to collect it.
That's why they say in a life of a woman, that means that when you don't have it, she have it. The two of them supposed to clap, you see me? Alright, hurry up and come here.
Alright.
Hold on, let me get something. Yeah, hurry up and
Alright, I'm come here.
Yeah man, yeah. Yeah. Babes, you can't leave your body and make your spirit go.
I want to, man.
Alright, hurry up and come here.
I wish I could have done that, alright.
Hurry man, now go help you clean. Now clean my plate, here.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Guess who it is?
Babes, how you FB?
Anna babes.
Oh, Shannon.
Me there,
There man.
Right.
Yeah man, you good?
I alone there.
Yeah, me alone there man. Your sister, she gonna in her town, she gonna take care of the business. So me just help her clean up and straighten up my bed. I just them there so me a kill and fight.
Like God send me up here this time, I know.
So I pray, alright? So me just there up on my phone man, I soon gonna check puppy then. Just there so I kill a good time, you know? You must have your place, you know, man. You're welcome here anytime, you know.
Right.
Your sister place, and from your sister place, I your place.
Right. You know, me dream for something like this. Oh God. Don't stop, babe. Don't stop. That feel good, man. Yeah, babe. Don't stop.
Yo, bad bro. Yeah, man. Oh, puppy done. Oh, God, my father, man. Me I come link you, man. You know, some mama gone down in the town. Yeah, she gonna deal some business. So I'm just in there. I clean up and me just say me I get some little fresh air. And right now, his sister there, so I feel comfortable more. So, you know, at least me can have the place open up because she there. Alright, bro. Now let's have 5 minutes. Come check you. Yeah, man. Alright.
One day my face just I get bump up or something. I don't like that thing. I don't like that at all. Fine book. Catch me back here some family. That feel goodie, man. Don't stop.
You want to finish?
You're not done. No stop. Back stay all up here say you don't come up here so. Catch him more.
You know, so I don't really feel comfortable. I catch you back.
So if you catch me back.
No, I don't have no problem to catch you back, but I just feel comfortable and catch you back. Watch out. Soon forward, I'm going to leave my virgin puppy down here.
Serve one. Rubbish.
You right free?
Where are you, my father?
Yeah, man.
What, gentleman? How you look, sir?
Just a look.
And I know your woman gear bun. I know your good woman gear bun.
No dog, bun I leave
I
for
cap you know. I cap. I joke here. Now I'm telling you. Hey, look, my friend.
No man, I want to look incident that look well dog, you just have me like all me a walk forward.
Incident.
Yeah bro. No man,
You
no
not
good
hurt
man.
about you.
No man, no good man, me I tell you some good situation that more wire.
Then that every same man you talk about incident like a something you're meeting or something my youth, you're frightened me. You wanna give me a heart attack?
Sean brother, one tour. All good thing happen right now, me have to pray puppy done. Me no never my mind a run and me know my mind a run.
Talk to me, bro.
It happen right in front of me, yeah bro. I no dream, I dream. Come wake up this morning and Tia gone down a bank downtown and a bank and take care of some business. Me and him hug and we straighten up my place so I can't dream, I dream. Me over there bro.
Watch you man. Me kinda laugh. Me
Puppy done me last like how you last.
I'm in here where you tell me say it.
Thank you. Bro, me over there. Sit down. Up on the bed, just straighten out the bed, clean up the place. And shine forward. So first the person forward and I say, put him around my face. Come check sa tear. Me I say, babes, how you left? So him I say, no babes, I shan. So me I say, normal pray. Me no friendly, sister-in-law.
Yeah man.
So me I say, oh, why pray? I say, in there man. So me I say, your sister gone downtown, gone do some business and your place you know get comfortable. You see me? So, she sit down in a settee, bro. So, me in my phone, you know, bro. In my phone, so. Me see she get up, bro. You see me? But, through him there in front, man, him get up the shredder. So, me saw him get up on the dresser. Me never know how him take up, bro.
Yeah.
Walk past me, and then him drop something. So, when him drop, bro, me I tell her, say him bend down. Bro, I'm bottom me I look pan. Like, to me, like him I do that for purpose. That's how me I get out.
No, sir. Me no feel so, bro. Me feel like say I wish you go take up like you literally jump through me. Me no feel so, bro. But me I hear you though. Me I hear you.
You know when your service done and you get like a hot spot.
Yeah.
And you know say you get the hot spot. Brother, I signal him and give me dog. I just show me have service,
Yo.
brother. Me not take it hot spot, brother.
No, watch you, man. You're my friend. You should even pick up them the hot spot there. Cause you're one burner. So you should even think that. You see me? But me no feel like a that shit do.
Brother,
Remember,
me
you
no
know.
pick up you, bro. Me no pick up in
Watch you, man. Remember you and her sister there, you know. So me don't feel like say she would have that mad. For know say you and his sister a date. And then she would have want uno to separate. Me no think she would have want that.
Me I imagine it then?
Yes, you think wrong.
Oh,
You see, if I me did in her house now, and she do that, me would have imagined that. I feel like the connection that me get. You see, if I me did in there and she drop it, me would have say yes. And me make sure I do
think
it.
about yourself, you not think about when you think, when you say, bro. Alright, so watch her then now. After that happened then, and she bend down, and me turn her back, come in and see that.
Yeah, you know, if you see, if you lock your eye,
After
good boy.
That happen now, bro.
Good
She
boy.
come back and I say me fi scratch her back. So me I say okay.
Nothing wrong with that.
watch her. Right. So me do so boom and scratch her back. Then she a go say, oh my God, that feels so nice. That feels so good.
So watch you, man.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
So watch you, man. When a woman a cratch your back, you not tell her I say that feel nice. A whole heap of time for me woman them a cratch my back you and me I tell her say yeah baby, cratch you again, it feel nice. My ear does say it does feel nice.
Dog. You see me? If me hold your hand like so dog, you not gonna feel no way cause we are gangster.
Yeah,
dog.
we are
funny.
man. Yeah.
If a sexy girl come and hold your hand and start.
You tell her if you don't let go my hand,
Then
hold
I
it
get, bro,
again.
me I tell her say, I'm me in the house, bro. The girl I say, oh, don't stop. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my God, don't.
My youth, yeah, misinterrupt with the girl. I said to you.
Yo, watch out, man. Me head a run.
Yes, I
Me head a run.
that. Me tell you, so
So
take
make
off
it
the
steer.
cap.
Make it steer right.
Take off the cap, cause you actually have on the cap, you cap. No, me not take you joke.
Everything I take for joke. Yo, give me my hat, man. Give me my hat.
My youth,
Give
me
me
tell
my
you, so you can't wear a hat cause you cap. The girl now go to do them the something that you think wrong. The girl knows say you and his sister there. So you now go ever think them sitting there.
You're right, Puppy Dan. Me I imagine it.
Block your mind.
Yeah.
Are you're
me
wrong,
sorry,
you're one
me
bird,
sorry
you
about
can't
that,
think
brother.
about that youth.
You see me? How your teeth bike from?
My youth, I want to, you know, for some of my time, me I want to look a bike skill. You know, for some of my time, me can do me look a 1 and 2 bike hurt them.
Me know a bike here, you know.
Man,
Me know a bike here, you know.
see, I know too much.
Me know a bike here.
That's wrong with the
I
virgin
make
bike.
sure
and
some
me
of them
start out.
side cover you take off, you know.
My youth,
They put
easiest
back.
step. My easiest step, no, my youth. Yeah, you make other people here and I carry them bike, come give me my youth. I want to your youth.
So why pretty different?
And this
Me
is
mix
day
like
I
that,
work.
mash up in a
And that me mash up cause you can't tell me. Right now I think say I miss that over there with that. Because if I did me over there she been over, me just put it on her.
Yo, bro, every time. Nah, laugh, man. Every time if you come check and show you some serious prayer, brother, the only thing for your mind up on Terati, that woman.
No, so what my mind for the pan?
Bro, me a virgin dog, and me come and show you a prayer dog, and you watch have a look on it from my way, bro.
No, me I look on it from your way, you know. But me I tell her face, what you a think? You know, if you think that, cause me no think should have drop where she drop and bend over for me, you look pan her. But you're a good boy, me like how you turn your back, you would. Me no think should have do that, bro. I mean, she know say you and her sister. I mean, she don't want to mash up in a relationship. She not do that
again. Cause
No.
me I gonna make it slide this time, but say next time,
What you gonna do?
me I gonna tell me woman, bro.
Oh, you see, you're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Now tell me woman.
See if I did me no would tell my woman, you know. Would have cut it like a grass.
Yo,
Yo.
you say, yo.
Would
when
tell
you
my
say-
woman,
when
I
you
cut
say
it like
what-
a grass.
Dog, so what is joke to you at that? At that, you know, me I laugh that, but I see you think of me, didn't see what me see still, but yo, I dash you that still. You mention that, you see me? Yo, boy up yourself, man.
Yeah, go man, you go check his mouth. Come back.
Yeah, bro, can go down to
One lover boy, they go tell my father.
Alright, look more here.
Yo,
Remember if you put on my side cover here. Yeah.
man, but I go down the road, go tell the man, say, come look up here when me I walk on the bike, you know.
Then my man have to go come and see him bike.
So we are going to tell the man that for you.
Alright, look more.
Yo. You know what's a color book one mad smaddy though? I should have my woman sister do that. Job sitting and bend over in front of me. Me say I score it like a goal. When my woman come back in sister turn dummy over there. Gone.
Shan! Good up, Monday. Shan! No, sir. Where am with you, Shan? You don't feel good?
I don't feel good at all.
What happened?
Me no understand certain things, you know. Me no understand certain things at all. I wonder if me no want dreamland. If me no want dreamland, more you wake me up, you know. Cause this no feel right, you know, look right, and you know, sound right when you get in, I go sound right at all, sis.
What happened?
If we all this has stress me, I'll sleep and wake up look if you come and go back to sleep again. It must say I get to my head, cause this can't real. The time too hot, it can't real at all.
Shan, get to your point now. What
Well,
happened?
me I go tell you, I hope you can process it when me tell you, cause you love going like you good two shoes too. So you just take me look at that. You know what me can't believe, say, every day you left, every time, me there, you left me and your man in your door. Every time.
Yeah, so what?
See how one good man you have though.
Me know I want good man.
Yeah, swear for man.
And I really said,
Well, baby, you don't have one good man. You don't have one good man at all.
Shan, come to me straight. Come in and
Then I
understand what
straight me
you're
I come to you. You mean to tell me, say, me and your sister though?
Come from one mother. So what you are trying
No,
to say?
me and your sister though.
Yes, Shan, we are sister.
Your man look me girl.
Me man a what?
Your man
Shan, cut the crap.
you.
Cut the crap, Shan.
You left me and gone no long. Me say, me I go up there so if you go take up one pen for write down somebody number where they call me cause the girl say she want me here just a number and me I write down the number if you tell her how the number go. The pen drop right there so and your man sit down on the bed right there so and your man I look at my bottom sexy and I'm turning around man I bite up in the lip. Me have to sit down fast.
What you say to me, Shan?
Then I process it. Alright, then I process it one day. Me back in there, I say no, hear me? But Shan, baby, come here, no know say me back and scratch me. You say, eh? Yeah, man, Shan, come scratch me. Scratch my back, yeah, man. Oh, yes, baby, don't stop. Long time, Tia never scratched my back like this before. This feel nice. I don't know what Tia is doing here every day. All she do is sit around.
Shan, looking at my face, looking at my eye, them. Where
Your man
you
a look me.
For me coloring book I look you.
And then I go and like say, so, me less than for look. Look pa me good, me less than for look sis and knowledge me a teacher. You can't swear for them dirty boy. That's what me used to do it too.
Shan, you sure about what you are telling me,
Then me
say?
Jesus Christ, and me happen too. I mean, no know ya man. Then, me I get up and tell like the justic like that for ya man.
Me never say a lie I tell.
Ya man wicked to your girl, like you wicked to yourself. Me not like that. Tia, you have to go move on.
Me not understand what you say to me, Shan.
So, Tia, you don't believe me, a sister? Oh, you put man over we. You put man over me now.
Me no put no, listen what me I say, Shan.
Me and David stay single card this.
Shan, listen what me I say. Put fun and joke aside.
Yes, mom, you say you don't forget people for relationship.
Listen what me I say now, Shan. Listen what me I say. Me not put no man over your mother, never do that.
Tatia, more, you believe me?
Me just have to like confirm with you say a true ya talk.
They need more confirmation than this. And when you say me not up to it, you say me link puppy. When you say me not up to it, in about him link, you see, me tell you say I'm no, me I got me hard girl, me I got me hard girl. Anytime you gain the sense and stop believing a man, me come back. Me I got me hard.
Wonder if I true Shan attack. And I like me not believe her in about film coloring book. Anyway, me and him, me never see coloring book. They do them as sitting here, me don't know if him as this a person, yeah. So. Hello?
Hey, baby.
What?
I'm here, boo. What's up? You reach home?
Me reach home good while. Which part there?
Right now, me on my way right now. Which part me and me left from just as me advice. So on my way right now to come and check you.
Alright, me there home. Come home right now. Right now.
Right now, baby. Right
Not
now.
even a minute. Hurry up.
On my way.
Alright.
I love you.
Sister Mary, I take long here, man. Like you're in a fall too. You want to see him, you know? I'm not tired of it. Keep me pressing for him to fall.
What is a mad one, yeah?
Aren't you?
You're mad.
Mad with what?
Yeah. How
Girl,
I talk to you?
you know, see, somebody me a weapon, man. Somebody me a weapon. Where you come from?
You say, bro, bigger story there, sir. What do you want to see me? I walk go on business, so you tap me and say, I will coloring book tell you make you call me whore. You know, say, man, whore, bro. I know you forget the name there.
Coloring book.
Eh,
What make you say?
you might look me.
Coloring book.
Wait, what do you mean by coloring book? Me
Sure.
call somebody else's name.
Shan, me and them and they dance and me see one queen team off already and him now and pick up.
That's a them. He might look me.
What make you feel, say, man?
Me and he one a sister in turn around and look me.
When you say to you, make you feel, sir?
He man they all over me body palm me.
Coloring book. Shan, me
Baby,
not girl.
me your brother and sister, you don't believe me?
Of course, me believe you, but coloring book, really?
Everybody seems surprised. Tia seems surprised, you seem surprised. I was a coloring book.
No, man, me I say to them, I don't really girls like that, you know. Me not say impossible, because I am sister, me have to believe you, but coloring book, Shan might be a imagine, man, or you hallucinate.
Me not like talk to you. Hear what David, just have a nice day, because me not go do this. Because me I tell you something and you are going to tell me, say, I know so it go like me, I'm mad somebody.
No, man. That's a coloring book now, I said, no, I'm just Shan. Coloring book, I look in. My in-law. No, you know, say, you not come back yet, though. Alright.
Babes, how am Jamaican make me run, sir? Babes, what happened? How am you? 40 leg bite you? What bite you? You can't say you're sweat, man. How bite you?
Well, no.
Oh. You ain't no, babe. You just text me and tell me, man.
Coloring book. Put on back your shirt, man. Where you take off shirt for?
So, babe, me say I take off your blood. Me feel like you want to look out.
Me take off this car, me hot and me a sweat and right now me just me ignorant and anxious and everything in a one.
So, babe, I want you. How trouble you? Achieve money not coming, you get the money.
And no time for that now. You no worry if me get the money or me not get the money. And me a try my best coloring book. If not take out me anger upon you.
So, babe, the way I take out anger, me, what me do? Me there good this morning, me no have nothing, so what me do? What problem? Are you just beg and serious, someone, babes?
Me no good. Coloring book, me swear feel say me did have this perfect relationship where we inseparable. You understand what I say? And right now, me no know what to think no more. Me lose her for you big time. When me say big time, I mean big time. Me lose her for you. Me never know say I saw you. Me no know.
Babe, so
God,
you talk about we ain't check so we have a perfect relationship. After no game we a play, I run around the field. Remember say me have fans in your life and you have fans in my life. So what you talk about be this perfect?
Just stop going like say you're a fool. I mean know you know what me a talk about.
Babes, right now I don't know what this will lead to or where to go. But all me can see something wrong with you and you want to tell me. What you mean if me a fool? The only fool me for love you. I mean I want to stop be a fool for love you. So what you talk about?
Coloring book, you're a hypocrite. You're a big hypocrite and I can't believe that I live in here with me enemy. And my enemy I live with?
Enemy?
Alright, here one. Me I'll get to your point.
Yeah, can you draw me out now? Tell me what me do.
Me go get to
When me can't say me sorry if me do something, babes.
You see you're sorry right now? Can't do nothing for me. When me say can't do nothing for me, it can't mend back where you break.
Babes, when me break? See all I figure read them pan just I see you run back there. When me break? And your phone screen drop and mash a long time already. So when me break? Me not break your heart. What you talk about, babes? Why you cry? What me do? Or what me not do? You leave out of the house this morning good and you come back and cry. What problem?
Alright. Coloring book. Imagine me left my sister over here with you. Eh? And my sister pen drop on ground. And you dey watch her bottom?
What?
My bottom not big enough for you watch it. Eh?
Then babes, why you wanna watch your sister bottom? And for your bottom at 3 times your sister bottom.
Imagine the girl all scratch your back. Eh? And you go, oh, it's you feel good. It this, it that. Not even me not scratch your back, so like how she scratch your back.
Babes, what your sister tell you say?
What me just said to you?
You know say basically all of what you are say, what your sister say, me do him right, you know. Your sister right with everything when you say, but only to one thing you wrong about. All of what him say, and me happen to, and me are the victim, and me sure not tell you. But because me never picture it something like this. And me there here, me the right here, sit down in this bed right as up. And your sister come and put your hand over me high and ask me, guess who is it? And me I say, babes, are you? And me I say, no, Ashan. And me I tell him, say, yo, your sister just gone down in her town and take care of some business. And she sit down over there, so me I tell her, say, your place, get comfortable. Me in on my phone, and by the time me in on my phone, me see she get up go over there, so me don't know when take up. She pass and come back, me don't know where drop. So because me something drop, me look. When me look my sister in bottom because she turn she bend down, so me turn on my face and turn me back to him. And because she come right here, so right here so she come. I say me fi scratch him back. So me scratch him back. During the time I scratch him back, I say, oh babe, that feels so good. That feels so nice. Me stop scratching back. Cause me don't know if he might lose it or he might dream. He might ask me why me stop scratching back. Me tell him say me don't comfortable fi scratch him back. Him kissing teeth and he go sit down right there so. Ni when my phone ring and me I talk to Puppy Dan and me tell him say me I go link Puppy Dan. He say me fi go on and me I go.
Listen what me say.
So you don't believe me? You believe your sister over me?
Coloring book. Me and Yawa, me can't get any man out the road, you know. You see my sister? Her blood. And blood thicker than water. My sister not tell no lie upon you. You understand what I say? Why if a she do that to you, why you never call me? Eh? Why you never call me if you tell the truth? Why you never call me? Oh, that's why you hurry up, go away. That's why you go away because you're guilty. And you don't know how to feel. So you see you. Me never know say I saw you did wicked. Me never know.
Babes.
No
You
babes.
grew up.
Don't babes
You
me.
grew up with your sister. After you grew up with your sister, me never in her present or the moment. But now me in your future. I mean in your future now, your sister will pass to your future once in a blue moon. But I'm here sleep with every night. I'm here feed every night. And if me not feel good, you bathe me and you feed me. Every moment of your life, I'm me and you. Your sister wants just run through now and then. And you go tell me, your man, say you believe what your sister say over me, cause blood thicker than water.
And that me say.
So you can get a next man, but you can't get a next sister. You say just like how you claim to say you disappointed in me. I same so me disappointed in you. And much as me there, so it can hurt me heart, babes. It can hurt me heart. Your man, look how much time your brother got road. Davidan, much girl give me number. I dash me dash right. Much time me go a party and girl look me and me no look pan them. You said me go a party and in less than half an hour, 1 hour me reach back at your foot. So who me fear give bun? If me not give bun out a road, me I come give bun with your sister and your nose. Maybe you love me, B. But me can't guarantee you. When me see and when me hear, you love me but you don't know me. And just like how you claim so you feel hurt, me hurt more than you. Boy, me feel say if you break my heart, one man want to come slide down in my bed. But me never know say you could have used a sister lie and hurt me. You link Puppy Dan, you know.
What if you am Puppy Dan business? You no man no lie like. Matter of fact, me no want you. Cause me you not turning at this house and no 2 and no 3 day. You hear me I tell you have to go find somewhere and go coloring book. Me can't believe so out of every woman in the world and my sister. Can't believe you.
What happened? Shan Ben over again. What going?
Why Puppy Dan? Come like, you know say sometimes me say, yeah drink the juice and the juice sweet. Or you live a perfect life. Or you have the tank of water. So when you reach on to the last part of the water, you corrupt it dirty. You come like a me time of life, you know, brother.
So you try tell me say go on now. Watch Shan man.
Puppy Dan.
You take my advice and go beat Shan?
Well, I wish me beat you for the bad name what me I get. Shan come like him a cross his brother, sometimes you see one book and you read the book and say it sound good. But sometimes when you read the back over here and you come like the worst thing you do. Brother Shan come like you want to mash up my life, bro.
So what going on now?
I don't even know if it start out.
If you don't know if it start, how me gonna know what going on, eh? If you don't know if it start, how me gonna know? I mean never did it.
Puppy Dan, remember say me come check you what they tell us say girl a signal off of me.
Really, your head really gone for true, cause just 1 hour ago since I checked me,
You know,
you tell me what it is.
me head gone for you, boy. You see me? You have to see with me now. Shan go tell.
And if me and a car head in, I can put back on field.
Brother, this man every time I come, make every time I come.
No, boy, if your head gone, you not go want another one, Panny.
Puppy Dan. Shan tell me one, say me I look him.
I lie.
So Shan really go do that? Brother, Shan tell me one, say me I look him. Say me try fi.
You that look, Shan?
What me I look Shan for do, brother?
So that me I say to you, that's why me I say a lie, Shan, that Shan for go and tell you a lie upon you.
Me have Shan vice me when Shan come over here, I just see him vice me, me see him.
Serious time, man. So Shan really gone over your yard. Go and tell your woman, say, I look, Shan. You coloring book with one burner. Eh? But some of the time you have to wonder if you're fool, so. Girl all a wine pan you and run them when I tell lies, say them poop. You?
The girl poop for two, man. But me I tell you, say, listen now, Puppy Dan. Remember, what day I tell you, you not believe in her, bro. Me tell you, say, me in the house and the girl I give me signal, brother, and me now pick up. The girl drop me something on the ground for purpose and bend over, dog. And when me look on him, me turn away. And the girl say, me fi scratch him back. And when me a scratch him back, him a feel, oh, no, babes and all them thing there. So me stop scratching back and me tell him, say, me not feel comfortable at scratching back. You know a girl go tell my woman, say, the girl flip it and tell him, say, and me ask him, Shan, fi scratch my back. And if I scratch me back, me I say, oh baby, don't stop here, don't scratch me back like
Who does that?
And when me does that, the girl tell me woman lie, everything will take place, him a flip it on me. Even the pen will drop, brother. He must say the pen drop and me a look on his ass. And when me see ass, me turn on my face like so.
Shan want a wicked girl.
Shan want wicked.
Everything will go on, she turn it around. And she do it and she gonna tell the woman, say, you do it.
Christ, you me hot, brother, man. Me hot.
No, remember saying in your bedroom, so nobody take off no clothes. Don't do that.
Puppy Dan, me just torment, brother. Me torment and stress out you out.
And I mean at the situation, and me feel away. Because remember saying you forward me, I tell you, say, I should have made it there. Because I'm that's caution. But you can't do it, you know. Because of your woman sister, but Shan wicked. I know it a turn to where you're saying, you know, me feel like she like you. Who does that? No, she. But
So why should I go tell you? Me not like me
not hit me and say, so why should I go tell that then? Eh? Why should I go tell a woman lie then?
You know what me feel? Me I go tell her what me feel. Every time she always tell me woman saying like, oh, me take care of him. How me and him live good. And him feel jealous and left out.
Jealous.
Yes, jealous.
He jealous.
He jealous, bro.
And me there single and want her and she.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, you want him. All if you and him there won't make no sense. You see me?
Watch him,
man. An idea. At least you and him want there, but you know mash up my life, brother. He mash up my life, you know. Me say me out the road, you know, Puppy Dan. And mama call me and me say, hey, boo-boo. And he say, come around book where you there. And I say, me start move already, baby. Me and me way right now if you come check you. You're lonely. You're forward back. And he say, hurry up and come. And I say, love you, boo-boo. And he say, Puppy Dan, when me run all on banana tree, me tear down. When me go in the house, me see mama walk around like, you know, a cartoon on your pinky and your brain. And so mama walk around. So me I say, babe, do want you. I want to bite you. Then me see mama take off in clothes.
So you're ready to go to work now.
I will tell you. I start to call my clothes and I say, I take off my clothes and I say, babe, I'm lock it down. And somebody say one. Mama said, no.
End of movie.
The movie done. Mama tell me, say, yo, he can't believe me do that, me wicked. And I say, babe, how me do? Say me I know I'm good man. So I saw me see say something wrong and now me I like him for the money when I get a Western Union. Mama say, his sister say me try for you. Puppy Dan, you know me no do that, dog.
No, you who do that for true.
How me do that, bro?
You who do that.
Hey, me I go do that to a woman out the road, bro.
You know who would I believe to do it?
Oh.
Them brother.
Davidan.
Yeah man, you see if, like, what I mean, you know, if you did, like say for example, Shan did that, like you, like say I did David and you,
Puppy Dan.
I feel like him would have do it.
Listen what me I say, no, man. I want like somebody want do it, man. The only somebody want do that, Puppy Dan, are you. Are you alone want do that?
My youth, no bother with that, you know.
No bother with what?
You actually even know.
Someone come like, brother, you know, say you move like you not believe me, bro. Me and you come from far. Just like come move and not believe me, I saw you move like you not believe me, no, bro.
No, bro, no, so man. You're mad, me believe it and try to come tell me story over there, so me not believe you. Actually, me a man, me not sure my hurt.
My life, I mash up in on when me
hurt
left.
and me.
Need when me I left me and mama talk about me and him now go make it. Me and him now go through on 2 nights.
Jesus Christ. I can't put you up because you know, man.
You know what hurt me, Puppy Dan? I know say, if fuck say, me try if you rain, you know. I know that hurt me, you know. Mama say blood thicker than water. And sister I have to believe because I can't get the next man. Bro, that
she really say, bro?
I told me you see me a cry, you know. From me I walk, I come over pay, yeah, water, me I tell you up in the puppy dad, because I'm not ugly already, me ugly, you know. And when me a ball, I'm just saying, I don't want a ball in front of you, dog, because I know me ugly already, dog.
Why me
That
tell you?
kill me, you, when my man go say that in a dog.
You have to kill her, bro, because I must say your woman know you love her, bro. And she
Yo.
should even believe that neither you, because you.
Then not that me I tell you,
Outside,
bro,
you.
me a one burn, I'm not proud of it in a dog. Jaja,
You
you.
come like coach it stop make store for you. Only that's how you stick with the one burner business then.
Boy, me I keep up with one burner life right now, you know. Cause cartel a lie, you know, youth. Cartel a tell lie about my one burner, you know. Yo, you right
Just, yo, I go drink 2 rum out of bar. Because right now, you drink 2 rum?
now. Me now have no money in a dog.
Me buy a rum. Don't worry about that. Because I see you stress right now, you.
Stress out, dog.
Feel it.
Puppy dog, when me hot there? When me hot? When me hot there, brother?
No, you had this by your head.
Then you see me I tell you, dog, I'm stress out, youth.
Come on,
Can't
man.
believe me I go lose the look up one burner life and me have dog. Because in wicked sister tell life for me dog.
Your woman head just hot now. When I go drink some rum, you go home, go put some little sex pan her. Come on, my youth.
Jaja, youth. Yeah, you know, so we need to talk.
We don't need to talk about nothing. You see whatever we need to talk about, I say what we need to see already. You see them there? Your belongings them. So you go just
So this relationship come to, you look jealous. Sister tell us something, and this relationship value.
listen what me I say coloring book. I mean I have much to say either. You understand? Me can't believe say that really lower your standard and go sleep, want to sleep with my sister. Cause I sleep, you want to sleep with my sister, you know. Cause you make half her, you know. Where you go?
So I take up my pillow to sleep on the concrete, you know.
Go on where you go, man.
At
Go on
least,
where you go, you look low life.
at least me a low life and me lower my standard. But big man thing, me I go live and me I go there. You see you can apologize back to me.
So we'll never see that happen.
One coloring book, and I represent for Wrld TV. And if you reach right, so that means you make it to the end of your movie. And you say a movie, you don't just comment and tell me what you think, what you like from what you don't like. You know, if you don't go through this in a real life or nobody will go through this in a real life. But remember, people, coloring book TV and Wrld TV. Yo, most of the people who do movie just do movie based off of where people go through in life. But anyhow, we not talk about it. Big up my fans them, you see me, on Coloring Book TV and plus on my channel, Wrld TV. Big up Tia, Sean, David and Public the whole work. Room, one in a head, Wrld TV.